Yo, it's good, it's your boy Kurt, and today we have another reaction. So, man, today, now we're gonna react to the full performance of Sonara sa Pure Gold OPM Con Generations 2026. Man, this is their first Pure Gold OPM Con performance, no? Grabe ang onesie humatak, no? Paano nila dalhin yung mga artist nila? Imagine, kaka-debut lang ng Sonara, no? Kaka-debut lang ng Sonara, man. Anyway, man, we have a full performance. Tingnan natin. I feel like every time na nag-performance Sonara, lagi silang may bagong pinapakita or, a cover performance. So, aside from Tabi, man, but I'm really excited. Without no further ado, let's get it. By the way, this is still from Killski channel, no? Alam niyo naman, Killski, our favorite 4K fan cam, no, na channel. Naka-intro din, no? Chi. Hey. Nakakatawa kasi ang aangas nila dito sa may ang kukulit sa IRL no? Ang kukulit sa Sonara IRL Dito ang aangas tignan. Okay. With the straight hair? Really? Parang, no? Commercial ng Pantene. Hey. I don't know, man, but Megumi is just goated in dancing. Megumi is just now goated in dancing, so yeah. Oh shit. Oh, bagay sa kanya yung buhok ng ganito, no? The aura. Why? Wow. Are we having this? Why am I having this fucking loading screen? So I have to load my screen again, no? I don't know why. Hey. Pinigil niya yung Sisyphean, bro. Inipit pa niya yun, no? Oh! Shit, nagpagupit ba siya? Si Dominic? Hindi naman katimpo niya, di ba? Sobrang gulat na gulat ka na. Hey! Hey! Wait. The aura, man. Always the aura. Our leader in here is just aura farming. Hey. Hey. Oh my God. Why are we having this? Tuwan-tuwa naman natin. Ay, tumingin sa akin. Sa akin din, tumingin. Hindi mo nakita. Ay, no? Ito, nakatingin din nga sa akin eh, oh. Hi, guys. Dito, sabi niya, dito ka tumingin sa akin. Ganun. Wow, kulay pula. Is it red? Aura. Go, aura. Eureka. Wala naman sinabing I love you eh. Masyado ko nangunguna, kuya. Baka I love you to kagad. Ako muna. Love you to, guys. Check. Laki naman ng post natin doon. I'm Tay!
Sobrang excited po kami. As in, parang hindi po kami makatulog kagabi sa sobrang kabayan excited. Kasi syempre, kasama po namin kayo sa first time po namin sa Araneta. Sobrang thank you po.
Oh yeah, first time in Araneta as well.
Alongside so many
God damn.
So, syempre, maraming salamat po sa Pure Good for having us. Nagdari ka-debut lang namin sa Escota Tower in Araneta. Thank you po!
Syempre, i-complete
singing platforms and also
Salamat po, Mas Jenny po. Yes po. Actually, tawag
Yes
niya
po.
RTBC po.
Ang inihid, eh, no?
Journey po. Chasing our dreams and we wanted to have you guys come along.
Si Ella parang sobrang inosente na parang parang gusto mo siyang ilagay na okay, behave ka lang, behave. Parang parang ganun eh, no?
With us. So, we're so excited to share with all.
Kaya sana po samahan niyo po kami before your official pages at official Sonar or at Sonar official. We can't wait to share more memories with you guys.
Pero hindi pa
Yes,
siya
sir.
official, di ba? Oo. Siyempre meron pa. Pwede na po ba kayo puri na our next song?
Next song?
Ready na sila. Our next song is Ikigai!
Ikigai. I see. Okay. Doing Ikigai.
If Eden defines what should be, and paradise is you and
Abag na sila? Abag na sila. Ay! 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 Tabingin si Yuri ka sa akin. Guys! Tabingin siya sa akin. Uy! Uy! Tumingin siya sa akin. Tumingin siya sa akin. Ano sa akin? Sa akin? Kumain na. Bro. God damn it, man. Look at the... This is really 4K. Kielski, man. Kielski. You're spoiling us too much, man. Spoiling us too much. Wow. Kaya talaga minsan hirap na manood sa ibang ano no? Sa ibang mga fan cam because of Kielski, man. Because of Kielski. Hindi sila masyado marinig. I mean, that's a proof that there's no backtrack, no? No backtrack at all. Just pure vocals, man. Yep. You see? You see, Dominic just keep on waving at me, man. Waving at me, man. Oh no, it's not. It's not me now, man. It's not me. Parang na akong tanga dito. Parang na akong tanga dito. Kinikilig masyado. Oh, may pa-whistle? Is that Dominique? God damn, chill out. Let's go.
Wait lang, may tanong ako. Gusto
Gamay na
niyo
gamay
ba?
nila yung harmonization ng ikigay, no? Siyempre! Gusto pa po. Gusto pa po.
Really special for all of you.
Oh, is this a new song? Is this a new song, huh? Is this a new song?
Really special to guys kasi actually, una pa kayo sa first na nakakarinig na.
Oh, is this a new song? Guys, is this a new song? Is this a new song, guys? Is this a new song?
Next release na!
Okay. I mean, I guess hindi ako yung una, no? Kasi wala naman talaga ako dyan. But we are the second, guys. Team Bahay is the second person. Second na makakarinig. Let's go, Team Bahay.
August 7.
This will be released August 7. Ooh. Sobrang lapit dito sa birthday ko, no? Is this a birthday present? Yeah.
Ano ba yung pinakala ko ano yung title? Kaya, syempre, meron niyo po bang i-pre-save yung release namin, pero to be announced soon. And syempre, appreciate ko namin
TBA.
kasi malalabas ko siya sa lahat ng streaming platforms.
Well, that's not all that we have for you po. So, we have so much
Oh, man. You're so cute. You're so chimoy.
more in store for you. And we hope that you can join us at Sonaro's World Full Outfits.
You like that, you know, like, cute little kid, you know? Na parang gusto mong, oh.
Yeah, catch us on August 7 in Trinoma by Ayala Malls for the official track and release of Pula. And August 9
Pula.
on Trinoma Malls, the 30th.
Oh, so ito yung ano, no? Ito yung nasa Sonara's story ni ito, Casual Truck. Pula.
Grabe. Sobrang dami pa-suburbs ngayon.
Pa-suburbs,
Manalo
Spicebog.
sila sa surprise ngayon.
Spicebog.
Kasi syempre sa Pure Gold, always manalo!
Tsaka gusto ko lang i-share, last year nung Pure Gold Con, nasa audience lang din po kami. Kaya maraming salamat po, Pure Gold.
Maraming salamat.
Roland Sonara. Thank you, brother.
Ayan, Araneta, are you ready to pull up? Yan, ready na sila. O, tara na. Let's go.
Ano ba, pull up ba or pull up? Pula. Okay, pula. Let's go. I'm ready.
This my teeth, we ain't cheap, we don't crisscross. We go
shit, this is R&B-ish, man. I don't actually wanna understand the lyrics right now. Ngayon parang di ko masyado marinig yung lyrics, no, which is, I feel like, maganda yon because I wanna actually listen to the lyrics pag lumabas yung official audio or yung kung ano man yung unahan nila, music video ba or official audio, no? Now I just wanna hear the vibe of the song, man. Like what we did in Tabi, no? Nung unang nila pina-perform yung Tabi. Are they, I'm sorry. Sabi ko, hindi ko intindihin yung lyrics eh. Are they trying to, like, wordplay the pula sa pull up? Wow. Merong ano doon, no? Few seconds na walang instrumental. Wow. Ganda ng choreography na yan. The choreography is fucking banging, man. Okay. So they are word playing the pula sa pull up. Okay, all right. I don't want to understand the lyrics, of course. I just kasi yun yung pinapaulit-ulit nila eh. Pull up, pull up, pull up. So, narinig talaga natin, no? So, I just wanna make sure na yun yung ginagawa nila. Oh my God. Oh my God. I just want you to know, guys. I just wanted to know that my birthday is on August 9. My birthday is on August 9. I guess we have to go in Ayala Mall. Mukhang may gagawin na ako sa aking birthday, no? I guess see you guys on August 9 then, right? See you guys on August 9. Let's fucking go. Alright, that is Sonara on Pure Gold OPM Con Generations 2026 full performance again by Kilski. Man, may pasabog ang Sonara doon, no? May bago silang kanta. Title is Pula. And I guess I mean, hindi na siguro sa atin yung title because of, again, na siya ni Casual Chalk sa atin, no? And also pinapahaging na rin siya ng Sonara dun sa nila sa tag dito sa music video nila ng Tabi, no? But that song, yung tunog ng kanta very R&B-ish, no? I guess mas magugustuhan ko siya supposedly, no, in theory, in terms of genre, dapat mismo gugustuhan ko siya kaysa sa tabi, no? But right now, hindi pa natin narinig talaga yung lyrics, no? Ngayon, pinanggap na natin yung vibe, and the vibe is vibing, guys. The vibe is vibing, no? So, we're going to see, man. August 7, August 9, woof, my birthday. We're going to see, man. But, there's a reaction today, man. Hope you guys enjoyed that, no? If you want me to react to more of Sonara, just comment down below. Or if you want me to react more to your favorite artist, singer, rapper, song, just comment down below. We're gonna react to it. And, that's it for today. See you on my next vid. You guys stay awesome. Peace.